we are moving into the things I typically cover in my level 2.4 series. And 2.4 is all about military time steps and military rhythms. We do other combinations with that sort of military beat to it. So first up, you are going to learn your single military time step. What is a military time step? Well, it's a military time step because one, the rhythm is similar to the rhythm or cadence you would find for marching. You would hear when the drummers brum bum bum, brum bum bum, brum 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 bum bum. That kind of military cadence, that's what it is. The other thing is we are going to march with it. You are going to be, doing some marching as part of this step. So a lot of times when you see military type routines, you will find that there are military time steps in there. So if you go back and watch some old movies where they have a little military number, you might find that there's some military time steps in there. Okay, I'm going to break this down. When I teach this, I like to break it down to what I call the bones, which means we're going to start with just the sort of the basic pattern. And then we're going to put a little bit of meat onto it, and then we're going to add the skin to finish off. And I find that teaching this step this way is very helpful for people who are learning it for the first time. So we're going to start marching, and we're going to have a pattern. The pattern is going to be 3, 3, 1, 1, 3. And that's how many marches, how many steps you do. So you're going to start with the right foot, and you're going to march 3. Then you're going to pause, then you're going to march 3 starting left. Then you're going to pause again, you're going to march 1 on the right, pause, 1 on the left, pause, and then 3 again. And then the pattern starts over on the left side, 3, 3, 1, 1, 3. So you're going 3, 2, 1, pause, 3, 2, 1, pause, 1, pause, 1, pause, 3, 2, 1. 3, 3, 1, 1, 3. Okay, so let's just kind of do this a few times before we go on. So starting with the right foot, you have 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2, 1. Left, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 1, 1, 3, 2. Again, we go march, 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 hold, march, 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 hold, march, hold, march, hold, march, 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 hold, march, 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 hold, march, 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 hold, march, 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 march. Okay, so getting that 3, 3, 1, 1, 3 pattern into your feet and into your brain is going to be really important as you learn these time steps. So if you need to practice this more than what we've done in this video, please do so, because it's going to make all the difference in the world as you progress. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is add a shuffle before the first march of each of the 3s and the 1s. So you're going to do shuffle, march, 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 shuffle, march, 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 shuffle, march, shuffle, march, shuffle, march, march, march. That's filling in those pauses. So it'll be on 8 and 1. So 8 and 1 is your first part. So starting with that right foot, you have 5, 6, 7, shuffle, march, 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 shuffle, march, 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 shuffle, march, shuffle, march, shuffle, march, march, march. 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7. And you should be trying to stay on your toes through this whole thing. When I say march, I don't mean it's not a stamp, it's a step on the toes. All right, let's do that again. 5, 6, 7, shuffle, step, 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 shuffle, step, 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 shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, 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 shuffle, step, 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 shuffle, step, 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 shuffle, step, shuffle, step, shuffle, step, step, step. Okay, now we have one more thing we have to add to it. So that was your meat. Now we have to add the skin. One more little thing we add to it to make it a single military time step. And that's going to be a hop. Now, I am not able to hop still. I may never hop again. So I'm going to do a heel drop. But the pattern is you're going to put that hop after the shuffle, after each shuffle. Shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, step, step. Okay. 8 and a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and a 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 1, 2, 3, 4 and a 5, 6, 7, 8 and a 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and a 5, 6, 7. Starting with that right foot, you have 5, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, 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 shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, shuffle, hop, step, step, step. All right. That is your single. 5, 6, 7, shuffle, hop, step,